Hello, welcome to 5-Minute English. This is part of our superhero series. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about Batman. Batman is one of the most famous superheroes in the world. He does not have superpowers, but he uses his mind, his body, and his tools to fight crime. In this lesson, you will learn some new vocabulary, practice describing Batman, and focus on grammar with the use of verbs and adjectives. Batman is a superhero from comic books, movies, and TV shows. His real name is Bruce Wayne. When he was a child, his parents died, and this made him want to fight crime. He lives in the city of Gotham, a dark and dangerous place. By day, Bruce Wayne is a rich businessman. By night, he becomes Batman. He uses a special cave called the Batcave as his base. Batman is famous for being smart, serious, and mysterious. Batman does not have powers like flying or X-ray vision. Instead, he uses his intelligence, training, and technology. He is an expert in martial arts, so he can fight with his hands. He has many gadgets, like the Batarang, a bat-shaped weapon. He drives the Batmobile, a fast and powerful car. He uses the grappling hook to swing across buildings. Batman also works with the police, especially a man called Commissioner Gordon. Let's practice some verbs that describe what Batman does. Batman fights criminals in Gotham. He drives the Batmobile at night. He uses gadgets to stop crime. He hides in the shadows. He solves mysteries with his detective skills. He protects the people of Gotham. Here are some more sentences about Batman. Batman has a partner called Robin. His main enemy is the Joker, a dangerous criminal. Other famous enemies are the Penguin, Catwoman, and Two-Face. Many people in Gotham are afraid of Batman because he looks scary. Even though he has no powers, he is one of the strongest heroes. Some people think Batman is more of a symbol than a man. Now, let's look at some adjectives that can describe Batman's character. Batman is brave. He is intelligent. He is also serious. Sometimes he is angry. He can be mysterious. Many people see him as fearless. Great work! Today you learned how to talk about Batman. We talked about his life as Bruce Wayne, his skills and tools, and his battles in Gotham. We also practiced some verbs like fights, drives, and solves. And we learned some adjectives like brave, serious, and fearless. Now you can describe Batman in English. Are there any other superheroes that you like? I'm doing a superhero series as part of 5-Minute English. Comment below. Tell me your favorite superhero. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.